Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Carissa. So by the title you guys know that this is going to be a bathroom and sheets day. So in the bathroom I'm just going to be giving the bathtub, vanity and shower a good clean. I'll also be going through each of the bedrooms and changing the sheets, the pillowcases and the doona cover. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know about my uploads. I recently brought a new bed. It's one of them fabric ones. I still can't decide what sort of side tables to get, whether to go with the wooden or the white. Leave it down in the comments below what you think I should get. Machine, it actually does have a setting for bedding. I think it goes for like 125 minutes and it's set for about 40 degrees, so that's what I use for all my bedding. I'm in the bathroom now. I'm just going to give the bathtub and the vanity and the shower a good wipe out. I got this new spray from Coles. It's their own branded version. It smells really nice, does a really good job. On the mirror I'm going to use my e-cloths again. They still do a really good job. They do a good job for the inside, like the windows and the mirrors, but not so good on the outside. They tend to leave it really smeary, so I need to find another solution for doing the outside of my windows. Now just in the toilet, and I'm just using the disinfecting spray that I make myself on there, and then I'm going to use I think it's called Breath in the actual toilet. I have since brought a proper toilet brush, but there I'm just using, it's like $1.50 from Coles brush because I didn't have a toilet brush. So I've moved on to the daughter's room now and just changing or taking her sheets and her pillowcases off. She actually did manage to get her doona cover off, so that was nice, but she didn't do anything else, so I'll be doing that, and I will toss that and her brother's doona cover and sheets and pillowcases all in together because they're similar colours. I'm not worried about them running so much into each other, so that's what I'm doing.
I'll be missing you, love, and the good times that we had. I'll be missing you, love. I'll be missing you and your love, your love, your love. When I think of you and the two of us together, it felt so good for so long. It was you and me forever. Now you walk away, maybe for
So my sheets and doing a cover and that have now finished in the washing machine, so I'm just going to put them into the dryer. I've actually got a LG heat pump dryer, which I love, but it does take a long time to dry, like doona covers and sheets. I put it on like a bulky setting, and that takes like 2 hours, but they always seem to ball up. If anyone has any suggestions on how to stop your sheets and your doona covers from balling up in the dryer, I have brought dryer balls. I brought like 6 of them. They were the orange things I was putting into the dryer, but it doesn't seem to help that much. They still ball up. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know whether I'm not putting enough in there, so that's why they're balling up, or if I'm putting too much in there and that's why they're balling up. But apart from that, it does a really good job. It just takes a long time to dry. In an electric dryer, it would probably take, I don't know, 45 minutes to dry sheets and doonas. In this, it takes a couple of hours. So don't worry about that so much, because it saves on the cost of the power. But if I could stop them balling up, it would be even better, because I had to check them like numerous times and take them out and make sure that they weren't all balled up. Anyway, moving on. So now I'm just going through the laundry basket and finding all the towels, because I am going to run a load of towels through as well, because we had no towels left. So I needed to do that because the kids needed to have showers. So I was doing that, and also now my sheets and doona cover has finished. It is quite a bit later in the day, but they're done finally, after me having to check them 1,000 times to stop them balling up. And I'm just going to put the kids' sheets and doona covers in there now, and then I will go on and remake my bed. Of towels. I'm using the Coles home brand laundry liquid. It's really good, and it's only $1.50 for 2 litres, so I'm really happy with it. With the towels, I put them on a really hot cycle, so as hot as my washing machine will go, which is 95 degrees, and that's just to make sure all the eckiness comes out. I'm in my room and about to make my bed. This is probably the part of changing the sheets that I hate, is the having to remake all the beds. It seems to take me forever to do it, and especially because the dryer seems to make things go a lot slower. I've got time to actually sit down, and once I sit down, that seems to be the end of me, and getting back up to go make 3 beds seems like an impossible task at times. But here I am, getting it all done.
Right there where it stings, make me feel like you're here again, like you're here again, here again, here again. Calling like you're here again. Like you're here again, here again, here again, here
Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling
only the last chore. I've just got to fold some towels and put them away, and then I am done. I hope this has given you some motivation to get done whatever you need to get done today. Hope you all had a great weekend, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.